Bururi mugima ni watungwo ni igutha ria gikuo kia reggae presenter uri ngumo nene muno Njambi Koikai uikaine ta Fire Mama uri wahuruka muthenya wa umuthi. Njambi akoretwo akirwa na murimo wa endometriosis, murimo ugumagira airetu na atimia aria marakigia periods ciao. Murimo she has shared na Kenyans kwa miaka miingi, kuona ni akoretwo akihoya uteithio wa besha kuma kuri Kenyans at a time when murimo uyu wa muthumburite na njira nene muno. Later we saw her getting better after Njambi gukorwo akigiginyana kwa ihinda na kugiginyana muno kuona murimo ucio ni wakoretwo ukimuthumbura na agikorwo akigua wega agicoka muci na tukiona agicokereria show ciake cia radio and also her live shows in clubs and events, show cia reggae, kuona ni arakendetwo muno ni undu wa thauti yake ya muthemba uyu wa kugutha show cia reggae. But a few days ago, just last week, a message went rounds on social media, Kenyans asking for help on her behalf, kuona she was admitted in hospital in need of a blood donor. Few days later, muthenya wa umuthi twakiana ndeto ici cia kuhuruka kwa Fire Mama, Kenyans sending their messages of condolences, kuona they have seen Njambi fight the fight to get better. Huyu akiuga rest easy lioness, you fought a good fight, you won, rest, our condolences. Kenyans joining with the family ya Njambi gukorwo magituma messages ciao, kuona ni magikorwo makihutio ni thabari ino ya mwisho ya presenter uyu wa reggae. This reggae radio presenter urari ngumo nene muno na urakoretwo akigiginyana kwa ihinda iraya thutha wa mwiri wake gukorwo ukimuthumbura na gukorwo akigiginyana just to get better and to see another day. Arohuruka kwega kuraga thie na mbere na kwirorera video citu niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira updates.